In this video, I'll show you how to fix eFootball 2024 not showing in Play Store. So to fix this, all you need is to just open your Play Store right over here. So when you open your Play Store, you just create a new account. So let me just click on create account right over here. So just click on create account. So I'll just do this. So let me just click on create account for myself. So I'll just do that and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm done creating the account. So I'll be taken to this fresh page right over here. So when you are taken to this page right over here, just go to your phone settings. So when you go over to your phone settings, you just go ahead and you just click on app management. So when you select app management, you select app list and you just go ahead and just search for Play Store right over here. So let me just search for Play Store right over here. So Play Store. Okay, I can find Google Play Store right over here. So you just go ahead and just click on it, and you just go ahead and just click on storage and cache, and just click on clear cache. So when you're done clearing the cache, just open Play Store. So when you open Play Store, just search for the game, which is eFootball 2024, eFootball 2024, and it should work. So let's see. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm having the game right over here. So that's how you can fix this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to receive more content like this. Peace out.